What's up, everybody? It's your boy Steve here. I'm going to make this a really quick video. Some good information here. I got a call today, and we had a really good conversation with this particular person, and they asked me what would I do if I had to start all over again. And it started making me think. We went over some really good information, but after that call, I started kind of just looking over some things that we've done in the past. So in this video, I'm going to show you if I had to start all over again, meaning I don't have a following, I don't have an email list, I don't have a reputation of success on the internet, nobody knows who I am. What would I do to build for success, especially in 2019 and beyond? What would I do? I'm just starting. Today is day one. What would I do? Maybe I just joined a business. Maybe I'm about to join a business. Whatever it is, what would I do to really take my business to a whole nother level, to where maybe I could be a full-time internet marketer, working from home, hanging out with my family and friends and just doing things, just living life. So what would I do to get to that point, starting at ground zero? So that's what I'm going to talk about in this particular video here. So just going to jump right into it. So number one, and I've got a few options here, a few different points here. Number one, I would definitely start making videos. I would get over my fear and I would just start making videos, because one thing too, if you notice, a lot of people that you follow right now that have a lot of success, people that you see all the time, and typically the reason why you see them because they make a lot of video content. That's the reason why they get a lot of sales and they get a lot of success, is because people see them, they get a chance to know them, know the value that they have and what they bring to the marketplace. So a lot of people will connect with that because that's what they want. So I would do what they're doing. So I would actually take the next 90 days and I would make a video, and it could be more, but I would at least start with 90 days and make at least one video every single day from all kinds of topics, okay, about my business, about my journey of becoming a successful online entrepreneur. As a matter of fact, I'll put below in the YouTube description a list of 101 video ideas that you can actually, that you can actually go there. You'll see the information right below. Just click on that. You'll see those video ideas, just things that can give you inspiration on different types of topics that you can make videos on, that can really help build your brand and also build your business. Now, again, for the next 90 days, I would go all in on videos, okay? Of course, you can do pictures and everything, but I'm just gonna, at this point, I'm gonna just stick with videos for now. What type of equipment? Start off with your phone if you don't have any type of video equipment. If you have already made a lot of videos with your phone or whatever, and you want to kind of up your game, you can always just get you a camera, another video camera, what have you. There's all kinds. You'll see a list below some of the different video cameras that I use in a lot of my different videos to kind of give you a little insight. But just as a disclaimer, all you need is your mobile phone or tablet. I'm looking at my iPad right here. I know you can't see it, but your tablet, your phone, your webcam, whatever, just start off there. That's what I would do, because I know that's the fastest way to success online, is by creating content, okay? And again, if you don't know what to, go below. You'll be able to see some information after this video. Just go ahead and wait, because you'll see that information, after this video when you go to that link right below. Now, that's number one, okay? I would start making videos and I would go all in on it, because remember, videos get you there faster. Now, number two, I would definitely get some type of auto-responding service and a capture page system. Something where, because remember, I'm making all these videos to help brand myself. I need something I can put those videos on so I can promote that page. I don't want to just promote my company link, my affiliate link. I want to be able to put something on a blank page with my video in an opt-in form right below, right, to where they can see my video, get a chance to know who I am, the value that I'm going to bring to them, give them a little insight about what they're about to see on the next page after they opt in. You see the process here? So again, I'm promoting myself, I'm branding myself, then I'm giving them value, opt in, you'll be able to see the information, but they're seeing me first, okay? So that's what I would do. I would make sure I have some type of auto-responding service so I can start building my list, because remember, right now I don't have a list. So I don't want to just send people to some information to where I'm not building a list, okay? I want to be able to build my list so months, you know, even years down the road, I can look back and say, hey, I've got tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, if not millions of names and emails of people who I can reach out to who have actually connected with me at some point, if that makes sense, right? Because I know even right now, that's what we've been doing. We've been building our list, you know, for forever, ever since we started marketing. And now when we do a different opportunity or add something to our income streams, we don't have to go look for anybody. We already got a list of people who we can send information to, but those people came from all kinds of opportunities and all kinds of offers that we've been sharing for years, if that makes sense. But in the beginning, I had 0. Then one day I had 1. Then one day I had 2. Then I had 3, and then I had 10. Then I had 100. Then I had 1,000. Then we had several thousand. Then we had tens of thousands. Make sense? We all start with 0. Okay, but that's what I would do because I'm making all this content, right? So, and I want to be able to put those videos or certain videos on a capture page because whatever company I'm promoting, I want to make sure I can have a video of me introducing that opportunity to whoever that prospect is. And I'm gonna give them a very strong call to action. Click on the button below or fill out the form below, and that'll take them to whatever the company presentation is or whatever. But they're gonna see me first because I want to position myself as the expert, okay? So, recap. I will make videos and I would definitely go hard every day, at least make one little video. It could be a quick video with my phone for a minute. It doesn't matter. You just want to start creating content. I would do that every single day for 90 days. That's what I would do, straight up. I would go hard, straight up for 90 days. A video every single day, okay? I'm not gonna worry about too much editing and all that. They can all be live videos or they could just be regular videos that I record and I just upload. Make sense? Just keep it simple. That's what I would do. Again, I would get an autoresponder and a capture page system. A lot of autoresponders come with the capture page feature connected to it. Click below, you'll be able to see all that information and everything as well at the end of this video. So that was those were 2. Number 3, I would connect with a mentor, or some kind of community of experts. So, because you don't want to be in a position to where you're feeling like you're by yourself. And I'm sure there's some people who you follow right now who you really look up to, who you're just in awe of how they market and this, that, and the other thing. Well, look at what they're doing and then just do what they're doing. Okay, if that makes sense, right? Just copy. And you really want to be around that. You don't want to be the smartest person in the room. You want to be the person that doesn't know that much. So get around that community so you can learn from the people that are really making things happen, and you'll pick up a lot of information from those individuals. So find a mentor or a community who you can connect with, right? That can really give you a lot more insight that you're going to need, especially if you're brand new, that's going to help you put the pieces together so you can keep moving faster. That makes sense? But just remember, it's not about talent, it's about hustle, okay? And being connected to the right people. That's what you want to do, okay? So connect with a mentor or some type of expert community. And there's a ton of them on social media, Facebook groups and all that good stuff. And even certain resources, I'll list some resources right below, some things that you can connect with so you can be around the right people that can give you the right information, okay? So that's what I would do. Real quick recap. Videos every day. I'm going to get me an auto-responding service with a capture page system, right? I'm not just going to rely on what the company provides. Remember, because you're probably not going to do that company forever for the rest of your life. So you want to be able to make sure that you're building your own list, if that makes sense, okay? That's what you want to do. And you definitely want to connect with a mentor and some type of community. And of course, number 4 out of this list, you want to post on social media every day, whether it's Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, etc. You want to post at least. If you want to go all in, if you really want, hey, I'm telling you, if if I wanted to really take my business to a whole nother level coming from ground zero, I would post 3 to 7 times a day. Straight up, okay? I'll make videos every day. I'll have my own autoresponding service and capture page system. So when I'm sending people information about whatever it is I'm promoting, they're going to my own capture page, seeing me first, and then opting in, and then going to the information, okay? I'll also definitely connect with my mentor, whoever I'm looking up to, people that I'm following. I'll look and analyze what they're doing and just keep repeating what they're doing, you know, in regards of how they're becoming successful as well, because it's going to help you learn. I'll be connected to a community also. And then, of course, I'm going to post 3 to 7 times a day on social media, if that makes sense. Because remember, I'm trying to make noise. I'm not just, oh, I'm just going to do this real quick and we'll keep our fingers crossed and see what happens. I'm going to post this one thing here today and see what happens. And then nothing happens. So I'm not going to rely on that right there. I'm going to 10x everything. So I'm just going to post 3 to 7 times, maybe even more a day, you know, but I'm going to do it every single day, videos every day. I'm going to do all that every day, and it's definitely going to make a difference here. Let me mute out my tablet here. All right, and then last, guys, I'm definitely going to work on personal development. I'm going to watch a lot of different people, and I'll put some resources of some people that I follow that really help me get my mind right and help me to also have the understanding of what type of hustle and effort I'm going to have to bring to the table to get the results that I want to get. If that makes sense, okay? Because remember, I'm not just relying on chance, right? I want to make noise so people can hear me. So I'm going to connect with some people, connect with some resources that's going to help me with my personal development as well, so I can manage my expectations, right? I'm just going to do the activity. I'm not going to be worried too much about the result, especially in the beginning. Remember, I'm going to give myself 90 days to get this thing going, right? If I don't get a sale this week, fine. If I don't get a sale next week, fine. If I don't get a sale this month, fine. I'm going to keep being consistent. Somebody's going to do something, because I'm all over the place. I got videos going up on YouTube or Facebook every single day. People are clicking and opting in. I'm posting on social media all day long. I'm connecting with my mentor and other expert people in this, you know, internet marketing community. And plus, I'm going through personal development. It's just a matter of time before we get really big. It's just a matter of time, because we're doing all the right activity, if that makes sense, okay? So if that's what I would do, I mean, real talk, that's what I would do. If I had nothing, nothing, no leads, no list, no reputation, nobody knows who I am. I'm just, you know, Steve and Rachel, right? Nobody knows who I am. And I just joined the business and I really want major success in 2019. That's what I would do. Straight up. That's exactly what I would do. Make videos every day, you know, make sure I have some type of way I can capture all the people that are visiting my content. I'll, you know, using an autoresponder and, you know, a capture page system. I'll connect with my mentor. I'll connect with some people, you know, and if you can afford it, you know, hire a coach if you can afford it. I don't know what your budget is, but hire a coach if you can. Definitely connect with a community of people that are doing what you want to do, that are doing it successfully. That's important. Okay, you don't want to connect with just a lot of people that are in the same boat as you. No, you want to be around some people that are really doing it, so you can learn from what they're doing. That makes sense? Okay. And of course, guys, take advantage of social media. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, all that stuff. I would just be posting my content, okay, that we're making. Because remember, the content can also be, I didn't mention this, it could be pictures, it could be images, right? It could be just posting and sharing your thoughts, right? And if you do that, share, you know, connect it with an image. So if you like to write and share your thoughts and kind of get a lot of things that's on your mind, and you like to do it in writing, you know, make sure you do that, but add an image, maybe of you writing, right? Maybe of you on your computer, whatever. Just get creative in sharing your story, okay? You know, long story short, all this is about creating a story, okay? You know, so just do it 3 to 7 times a day or more, If you do that every day, I mean, watch what happens. And again, personal development. You cannot forget that. That's probably one of the most important parts of this whole video. Personal development. You gotta get your mind right, because you're gonna get let down. You're gonna have some times where you're not gonna believe this is gonna work for you. Okay, you're gonna need to have the mental toughness to get through those low times, right? You're gonna have some high times, but you're gonna have some low times as well, where you're doubting and I don't know if this is gonna work, but you gotta be consistent. So if that's you, if you stay consistent, amazing things can happen. So I don't know if this video really helped you. I don't know if you got some value from it, but if you wanted to know what I would do if I had to start all over again, those are the things that I would do. Make videos, make sure I have some type of capture page system. I definitely connect with a community of mentors, post on social media regularly, and I'll make sure I focus on personal development. And I'll go all in. And I'll learn other different things and all kinds of stuff along the way, but that will be the fundamental plan, the fundamental formula that I would follow to get me to where I want to go. So hope you guys got some value out of this, guys. So it was an interesting conversation. So I thought I'd make a video about it. So hope you guys got some value from it. So again, be sure to go ahead and like it. Like this video, comment below, and be sure you subscribe as well. Because again, we got a lot of great stuff coming on this channel this year in 2019 and beyond. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any information that we're going to be adding to this channel. So again, Steve Rachel here. Thanks for watching this video. Hey guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.